This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Julia Shea. This charming 4-bedroom home has been beautifully and meticulously renovated with non-toxic materials. With 2.5 spacious bathrooms and an open floor plan, this updated traditional home is modern and perfect for entertaining. The living room has natural light from a large front window, refinished hardwood floors, and a gas fireplace. The dining room is open to the updated kitchen with granite counters and stainless appliances. The redesigned floor plan features a half bath and a first-floor primary suite with stunning private bath and walk-in closet. An open staircase leads to 3 bedrooms, large closets, and a new full bath upstairs. New heating and cooling systems and high-efficiency tankless water heater have been added. There's great outdoor space to enjoy, from the covered front porch to the spacious, private back patio with cabana cover. The driveway was widened to accommodate 2 cars, and there is a large shed/workshop with electricity. This is a fully hypo-allergenic home. November 6, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Julia Shea at 757-971-6221.